All right, blue painter tape's removed. The only reason I didn't remove this tag is because these both had this tag on. You can see this is an original GM replacement part, as was this. Took it out of the original GM packaging, so I thought that would be cool, you know, someone would like that. But engine's cold, choke's never been set. I'll set it right now. Choke's set. I'm gonna get in and hit the key. I haven't started this car since the NCRS meet in April, so it's been a little over a month. Now that was sitting for a month. That was me hitting the throttle one time to set the choke, and hey, there it is, started right up. Now the warm-up process takes about a minute, a couple minutes on these old fuel injection cars. Building, I'll have to get it outside. This is the fast idle in it. And if I hit this, I didn't let it go the whole way through the idle process, but that's where it sits in idles then. Dash lights all work. You can dim them, you can turn them up. As you can see, light up there works. The brake light one works. And when you have the high beams on, they work. Turn signal indicators. So everything works. And the clock works, as you can see. Wipers work. Even the windshield washers squirt. So getting a good car here on this one, guys. No expense was spared. Everything works like it should. I'll get it outside and I'll do a walk around of it for you. There's the split window. Right here, do this right here in front of my showroom. You get a helper here. Near the solid lifters. Cars are cherry, guys. Just a cherry. Got the stickers on everything, all the correct markings, everything. And if the next owner wants to remove this, they're more than welcome to. I just left it on there because these two are original GM pieces, as is this. So On this car, we tried to use a lot of NOS parts to do the restoration. We put all the correct markings back on it. So. Alright, go ahead. Hit the headlights. Pull the knob out and then hit the switch. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Perfect. Sorry, that's my daughter doing it. She's only 11. She's never really done it for me. Hit the switch on the floor for me, babe. High beams. Hit it again. Hit the turn signals. Left. Right. Perfect. It's got T3 bulbs in it. Roll the headlights back down. And then push in the switch. Good job. Everything fits really nice on this car. The paint is just spectacular. All the trim's nice. Interior's beautiful. It's all brand new. Interior's done with all Al-Knock interior. The dash pads, the carpet, the seat covers, the door panels. So everything works. And look, these doors shut just ever so slightly. Perfect. That's how you want them to work. The way the trim fits the windows is just absolutely spot on. Hit the brakes. The middle pedal. Brake lights work. Hit the gas a couple times. Just flip it. Do it again. Listen to that. Sounds good. Alright, let your foot off of it. Trim and everything's perfect. Alright, you can jump out, babe. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. All the gauges are perfect. Center console. Up under the dash. Door panels. The biggest thing with this thing, when judging it, you're going to lose points for the jams because they're too shiny, but I don't know. Some people like them shiny, some people don't. On a show car, everyone wants them shiny. But this door shuts the same way. Just a little push. It's on a downhill here, so you got to push a little harder, but they work perfect, I promise. If you want to see anything else, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll get you whatever you want to see. Call me anytime. Any questions at 814-285-1779. Thank you.